1, 2, 3. Sound check. Hello, hello. Guys, do you hear me? Napakagulo naman ng buhok na to. Hello po, sound check. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. May sound ba ako? Gulo ng buhok ko. Hi, ECT. Hello, hello. Jonah. Okay na to. Okay na to. Paul, what's up? Hello, Isa. Justin, hello. Welcome to the stream, guys. Sa lahat naman nandito. Hello po. Do I have sound? May sound ba tayo? Rinig mo ako? Hi, Choi. May music? Jonah, what's up? Thank you, Jonah. Hello po sa lahat ng mga galing sa aking broadcast. Hi, Jab. Hello. Hello to everybody. Hello. Thank you, ECT. Thank you. Grits. What's up, Grits? Nagtropan-tropico. Nakikinig ng dam pero pan-tropico yung sinayaw. Sobrang astig na music video niya. Parang 4 times ko na napanood. Malungkot ang person na to. Bakit naman malungkot? ECT, hello. Hello guys, please share the live stream and tap the hearts para mas maka-invite tayo ng mga people to watch the live stream and be with us this evening, na pa-morning na. Nagre-relapse ka saan? Gusto mo pa iyakin kita, Lala? Joke lang. Kinantahan ng mga ano. Alam ko naman yung gusto ni ano eh. Alam ko yung mga gusto ni Grits eh. Kantahan kita, Grits, ng gusto mo. Kantahan kita ng gusto ni ano. Ni Grits. Masaya ka ba? Okay. Grabe yung first song natin. Ito kaagad. Covers me. Thank you, Mikes. Magsasakitan muna tayo. Pilit nating iniwasan ganito mga tanungan. At kahit di sigurado, tinuloy natin ang ating ugnayan. Okay lang, Jana. Ngayon'y naubos ng kwentuhan. Nagsimula ng magsisihan. Lahat ay parang lumabo. Di alam kung saan tutungo. Sabi ko na nga, miss you, Jana. Dapat nung una pa lamang di na umasa, di naniwala.
hindi tayo pwede pinagtagpo, pero di tinadhana, hindi na posible ang mga puso'y huwag nating pahirapan. Suko na sa laban, hindi tayo pwede.
Huwag nang ipilit kung hindi talaga pwede. Yan nag-rap. Thank you, Losk. Leos. Hi, Seth. What's up? Binitawan ko ng araw. Ay, nako. Ayan. Ipahin natin lyrics.
Kay bigat na ng damdamin, bakit di ba natin aminin? Dahil nung una pa lamang, alam natin wala tayong laban. Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat nung una pa lamang, di na umasa, di naniwala, hindi tayo pwede pinagtagpo, pero di tinadhana, hindi na posible ang mga puso'y huwag nating pahirapan. Suko na sa laban, hindi tayo pwede, hindi tayo pwede, dahil una pa lang alam naman nating mayroong hangganan, at kahit ipilit hanggang dito na lang, dito na lang, hindi tayo pwede pinagtagpo, pero di tinadhana, hindi na posible ang mga puso'y huwag nating pahirapan. Suko na sa laban, hindi tayo pwede. Hindi tayo pwede.
Yes. Thank you so much. Eme. Eme dyan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Seth. Thank you, D. Maraming salamat. Grabe. Kung may buwelo pa. Walang buwelo yung boses ko. Yun talaga agad natin kinanta first song. Thank you, ECT. Salamat. Thank you, Scotty. Hello. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay na mga loves. Hugot songs. Yes, hugot songs tayo today. Thank you, Justin. Salamat. Ayun, oh. Thank you po. Hi, H. Thank you, D.
Natapos na ang lahat, nandito pa rin ako. Etong nakatulad sa mundo, sa mundo. Hindi mo maiisip, hindi mo makikita mga pangarap ko para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Oh, Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Sa buhay ko. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dean. Thank you, DCT. Thank you so much. Sundan mo ang pag-ibig na lulat na aking pinagtatanto. Sundan mo ang pag-ibig mo. Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka. Sa buhay ko. Thank you so much. Thank you, D. Thank you, ECT. You know. Ano gusto niyo kanta?
Yung masakit. Kundi rin lang ikaw. Kundi rin lang ikaw. Ano nga ba to? Yes po, nag-PBB ako. Uy, malapit na PBB. Hindi mo na ako kailangan. Wow. Kundi rin lang ikaw. Duet to, di ba? Meron ba yung ano? Solo version lang. Mahirap kasi pag may duet na. Anong talent ko dun? What do you mean anong talent ko dun? Di naman na. Wala po, Ria. Wala. Ito. Ano na lang, mashup. Talent ko maghugas ng plato. Talent ko magmarites din. Hello po sa lahat ng mga bagong pasok.
Kung hindi rin lang ikaw ang dahilan, pipiliin bang ang puso kong hindi na masaktan? Kung hindi ikaw, ay hindi na lang pipilitin pang umasa pa na sa ating dalawa. Hindi kinaw at hindi magkakasama. Sino pa ba ang luluha sa umaga para sa ating dalawa? Bumibitaw dahil di makagalaw. Pinipigilan ba ang puso mo? Ibang sinisigaw. Kung di rin tayo sa huli, awatin ang sarili na umibig pang muli. Kung di rin tayo sa huli, awatin pa ang puso ko, ibigin ka. Okay na to. Thank you so much. Si Mau ba to, si Maurice? Thank you, Seth. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na para bang wala nang babalik sa'yo? Nasaan ka man? Sigaw ng puso ko'y ikaw hanggang ngayon. Kung sana lamang ay nakita mo ang lungkot sa iyong ngiti, isang kahapong di na nagbalik. Gumising ka at nang makita mo ang tamis-tamis ng kahapong di na magbalik. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang mararamdaman. Kahit matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Muling kapiling ka, kalimutan ko yung bridge. Ikaw mula noon, ikaw hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman, hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman. Kahit matapos ang magpakailan pa man, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan. Nakakapagod naman yung kanta. Thank you so much. Thank you, Easy Team. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kath. Kisap mata. Try natin yung mamaya. Masantos sa labit si kapare ko eh. Hi, Chuchay. Hi, Kate. What's up, Kate? Thank you, D.
Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong buhay. Renzo What's up, friends? Miss you. Lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, pagdagat ng luha ko, iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit na may mahal ka ng iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit na may mahal ka ng iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit na may mahal ka ng iba? Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo. Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko? Di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit na may mahal ka ng iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Ayoko na. Hindi. Hide and sing. Wala sa kondisyon yung boses ko ngayon. What Jacket Manila natin. Thank you, Kath. Sabi ko, chill-chill lang tayo eh. Wala talaga dahil kanina pa yung boses ko. Ben and Ben. Ano bang kanta ng... ito na lang. Para sa mga kabit. Kabit. Kasi bukas na lang kayo. Di mo na ako kailangan. Sige, sige. After this song. Kay hirap pala umibig sa di tama't panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natamuan ang isa puso ay malaya pang magmahal. Bukas na layak ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita
Ngayon, hanggang doon lang tayo para makanta natin lahat. Ano yung isa? Meron pang request si ECT kanina. After Kiss Up Mata, di mo na ako kailangan. Sige. Kiss Up Mata. Uy, Liwanag sa Dilim, the musical. Very soon. Andun si Alexa.
Nitong umaga lang, pagkalambing-lambing ng iyong mga matang, hayop kong tumingin. Nitong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang aawa sa atin. O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo, sinta. Daig mo pang isang isap mata. Kanina'y nariyan mo ba? Bigla na lang nawala. Daig mo pang isang isap mata. Kani-kanina lang, pagkaganda-ganda ng pagkasabi mo, sana'y pagkasaya ng buhay kong bigla na lamang nag-iba. O kay bilis naman maglaho ng pag-ibig mo, sinta. Daig mo pang isang isap mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang mo ba? Bigla na lang nawala. Daig mo pang isang isap mata.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ECT.
Thank you, Dee.
Doc Sassy. Nitong umaga lang, pagkalambing-lambing. Nitong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing. Kani-kanina lang, pagkaganda-ganda.
Wala pa pala.
Kani-kanina lang, pagkasaya-saya. O kay bilis naman maglaho ng pag-ibig mo, sinta. Daig mo pang isang isap mata. Kanina'y Kahit mo pang isang mata. Kani-kanina lang.
Thank you so much. Wala talaga akong boses. Nagaan yung boses ko, nagka-crack. Puyat din kasi. Ano yung kakantayin ko kanina? Di mo na ako kailangan. Manonood ba ako ng Kisap Mata ng TP? Yes, gusto ko siyang panoorin. I will really find time to watch it. Kisap Mata at Piwanag sa Dilim. Paano ako nakapasok sa 10? Nag-audition po ako. First ko ay Ang Huling El Bimbo the Musical. Tenor ako. Kailangan ko ng noise cancellation dito sa aking. Not. Di mo na ako.
Global Karaoke TV.
Okay. Sing this.
Paano na nga ba to? Hinahanap, saan ba ko nagkamali? Meron bang di naibigay? Kulang pa ba? Di naman sa panunumpa, nakalimutan mo na ba lahat? Kaya ba hindi ko na makita ang dati mong ngiti noong ako'y kailangan pa? Kaya ba ngayon'y nalalamig na di na nasasabi kapag ako ang kasama? Di mo na ako kailangan. Good night, D. Nahanap na ang iyong tahanan sa iba. Di mo na
ako kailangan. Kalimutan ko.
nagtatanong, bakit biglang nalamig? Nasaan na ba? Di naman sa panunumpa, nakalimutan mo na ba lahat? Kaya ba hindi ko na makita ang dati mong ngiti noong ako'y kailangan pa? Kaya ba ngayon'y nalalamig na di na nasasabi kapag ako ang kasama? Di mo na ako ngayon'y nalalamig na. Hindi na ba ako kailangan ng iba? Di mo na ako kailangan.
Thank you so much. My God, nakalimutan ko na yung kantang yun. Bakit ganun? Hindi ko alam yun, Choy. Thank you, Rico. Salamat po sa mga nag-i-stay. Na oras na? 12:33. End ako ng 1. Yes, kasama ko si Jam. Ngayon mo lang nakalkal yung souvenir program. Alam mo, I need an extra souvenir program ng Ang Huling El Bimbo kasi I lost it. I lost mine na napunit-punit ng mga pamangkin ko. Di lang ikaw. Okay, sige. End tayo ng 1. Shout out Mr. Black. Hello po. Wait nga. Ba't nagre-red tong kaka-charge ko lang naman. Ba't nagre-red? Anyway. Ano ba yung Hi, Lara. What's up? Happy birthday, advance, Joy. Advance happy birthday. Napakasakit naman ng kantang to.
Pansin mo pa ang pagbabago? Di matitigan ng iyong mga mata. Tila hindi na nananapig sa iyong yakap at halik. Sana'y malaman mo, hindi sinasadya. Kung ang nais ko ay maging malaya, di lang ikaw, di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Bulong ng isip, huwag kang pakawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan.
Thank you, Bernanello.
Pansin mo ba at nararamdaman? Di na tayo magkaintindihan. Tila hindi na maibabalik tamis ng yakap at halik. Maaring tama ka, lumalamig ang pagsinta. Sana'y malaman mong di ko sinasadya. Di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala, bulong ng isip. Huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Di hahayang habang buhay kang saktan, di sasayangin ang iyong panahon. Ikaw ay magiging masaya sa yakap at sa piling na ng iba. Di lang ikaw ang nahihirap at damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Hindi lang ikaw ang nababahala, bulong ng isip. Huwag kang pagkawalan, ngunit puso ka ay kailangan kang iwan. Thank you so much. Salamat, sir. Thank you, thank you. Gusto niyo yung version na ano? Uy, thank you, MJ. Ayun, ang ganda naman nun. Tundakla, Akinoy. Ni makakaugip. Yes, thank you so much. Wait. Ikaw at ako ni TJ. Ikaw at ako. Ano ba yun? Iba yung ikaw at ako ni Moira, di ba? Mayroon akong kakantahin eh. Starts letter B. Kalimutan ko lang. Nalipatak. Ano kaya yun? Hey, Donnie. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for the gifts. Any Moira songs? Malaya. Meron akong kakantahin eh. Nakalimutan. Hindi ako mapakali. Nakalimutan ko. Pero, hindi dahil sa gusto ko siyang kantahin, kundi dahil naiinis ako na yung short-term memory ko nag-ano na naman. Nag-i-spike na naman. Heaven knows. Wow. Heaven knows na Orange and Lemons pa na AJ. B, letter B. Tagalog eh. Sige, nangahabang hindi muna, ito muna. Sige. Orange and Lemons muna. Nakalimutan ko nga eh. Sinong kumanta? Thank you, AJ. Yun, naalala ko na yung kakantahin ko. Sige, mamaya, after this. Sige, ito muna. Para chill-chill lang tayo. Beautiful singing lang. What's up, mga kababayers? There were times when I'm lying in my bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid game in my eyes. I like windshields on a rainy day, almost broke down, swelling as I keep on dipping my face in these cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Hi, Awen. Thank you, Mark. This elbow room that puts me in a trance where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from these fumes and legs. Till I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how bitter I am. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Thank you so much.
Ayun. Thank you, ECT. Thank you, Jolly. Salamat po. Thank you. MJ. Uy. Cute. Thank you, thank you. Ala, Abi. Tapos ko na nakantayan. Sayang. Yung boses ko medyo paus voice na siya. So, I have to be wise to pick my songs para makakanta pa ako. Andyan na yung P. Alam mo, kakantayin ko sana Broken Vow. Kaso na-realize ko masyadong Island. Parang masyadong Wait. Wow, grabing angels brought me here. Hindi ko kaya yan for today's video. Hi, Bonnie. What's up, Bonnie? Past lives. Yung past lives. Baby, I'm amazed by you. Yun ba yun? Where am I now? I'm in Manila. Still in Manila. Dilao. Siege, what's up, Siege? Alam mo, sige, kantayin natin Dilaw. Kinikilig pa rin ako pag naririnig ko tong Dilaw. Kantayin natin. Describe my day in one word. Same. Pangit. Ito na lang. Ayan, para mas rock. September Virgo.
Come on! Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Parang kakaiba pag nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na di magmamadali. Ko lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay pumuti. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw ngayong ikaw na nakasayaw. Kung meron mang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay ilaw. Di akalaing mararamdaman ko muli ang iyakap ng panahon habang kumakalabit ang init at sinag ng araw sa dilim ng ulap. Mukhang di naman delikado kasi parang umingiti na naman ako. Kaya ngayon di na ko mangangamba kahit anong sabihin nila. Come on! Di magmamadali, ko lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay bumuti. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw ngayong ikaw na nakasayaw. Yung kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw.
Sobrang nakakapagod naman itong kanta.
Ngayong nandyan ka na di magmamadali. Ko lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ay bumuti. Di na maghahanap ng kung anong sagot sa mga tanong, dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Ngayong nandyan ka na.
Ayun naman. Siyempre, song na ito eh.
Ako bibitaw ngayong ikaw nakasayaw. Kung meron bang kulay ang aking nagsisilbing tanglaw. Ikaw ay dilaw.
Thank you so much. Uy, very dilaw. Thank you, MJ. MJ, ano gusto mong kanta? Amazed. Baby, I'm amazed by... Yung ba yun? Sige na nga. Amazed. Sakit na mata ko. Ang mic ko ay Sennheiser. Pero walang tatak.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know what you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
Come on.
The smell of your screen, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair all around me, and baby, surround me. You touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time. Every time I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes. I don't know what you do, what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed. Thank you so much.
Pinilit ko yung kantang hindi ko masyadong kabisado. Thank you, ECT. Salamat. Thank you, thank you. MJ, uy, cute. Ang daming cute na mga gifts. Anong request mo, MJ? Naku, di ko alam yan, Diablo. Kumbaga sa vocabulary, yung vocabulary ko sobrang lang sa songs. Konti lang. Baka mas pa sa old songs. Steven, what's up? Shout out to you. Ano yun? I love to last a lifetime. I love to last. Parang juris ba to? Tinan ko ako. Alam ko. Hi, Steph. Thank you, Steph, for being here.
Doing what we can do in a lifetime. We had more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make it our lifetime. But as for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts will take wings, take a sparrow. But that's life. We'll take the day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for tomorrow. As for me, all of my days, I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime. If we could all be destined behind to be remembered by just a song from me, and then at least I would have tried. I agree, it's such much what we have as how much use would we have in our life. 'cause we can do it all lifetime. All my love I would give for as long as I may live, with a love to last a lifetime. Yun ang alam ko. I tried my best. Thank you so much. I tried my best. No, hindi ako familiar sa song. Sinundan ko lang yung tono niya. Doc Sassy, hello, welcome to the stream. Uy, thank you so much. One of my favorite gifts. Anong tawag dyan sa gift na yun? Night Star. What's up, Rex? Rex Lantano. Yun na. Uy, thank you, Doc Sassy. Wow. Parang gusto ng kanta ni Doc Sassy. Thank you so much, Doc. Ano gusto mong kanta, Doc Sassy? Palagi. Oh my God. Totoo ba yan? Oh my God. My deepest condolences to you, Lay Andrew. Tony, what's up? Totoo ba? Parang ang sad naman nun. Theme song ng boyfriend niya na namatayan, Wake. I'm in this Wake right now. Ang bigat naman nun. Paano makantahin to, uy? Ang sad naman nun. Condolences. My deepest condolences. My deepest condolences. Okay. So, here's the song palagi. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayo humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Di palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi kung balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ang higayan ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Heto tayo sa huli. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pinagkakinto, diyan man nabutit, ikaw pa rin aking bituin. Natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man.
Para sa boyfriend mo yon. Thank you, MJ. Uy, cute. Hawak ko yung flower. Thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, Lay, for the request. And my deepest condolences once again. Thank you. Thanks, Ria. Thank you, ECT. Salamat po sa mga... Yes, what's up? Uy, oo nga, 1 na. Oo nga, 1 na. Sige, I'll be singing last 2 songs. So be wise to choose a song. Last 2 songs. Thanks, Jara. What's up? Thank you, Jara. Thanks for the reminder, Choi. See you, Juan Mig. Through the years? Sige. More pa. Mimili tayo ng last 2. Sige. Dahil napaka-generous ni MJ. Kantayin natin yung Supermarket. Lumabas dito, Superboy and the Invisible Girl. Hi, Zion. Mahika? Kate? Mahika? Sino kumanta ng Mahika? Wow, the way you look at me. Sige, try natin. Ate. Dami pa. Biglang dami request. Teka lang. Natawa ako kay Mandy. Ikaw na ba yan? What do you mean po?
I took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill. I threw the old cheap.
Sabay.
Took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Pack up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the girl we'll soon call us and stuffed animals. Pour the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. When there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as I go. When God takes you back and say hallelujah, you're home.
Thank you so much. Ayun. Hati-hatiin natin. Thank you so much, Seth. Hati-hatiin natin para makanta natin lahat. Thank you. Wow, waving through a window. Kala mo naman talaga. Hindi kaya ng boss ko ngayon eh. Waving through a window. Ano pa ba? Thank you, Choi. Oh, that's nice to hear. Pero gusto naman kantahin. Oh, gusto kong kantahin pero hindi kaya ng boses. Kaya ko kapag okay yung boses ko. Doc Sassy, alam mo ba yung waving through a window? Kaso kasi pausa ko ngayon. So, hindi ko rin siya makakanta. Hindi ko kaya ng lower key yun. Doc Sassy, sige. Nahamon mo ako. Hindi kaya, kahit hindi lower key, pero kayo nga lang, pause nga lang ako. Pero, baka bigla tayong, sige, try ko. Try ko, Doc Sassy. Okay, pag pumiyok ako,
Sinking
Walang ano walang tatawa
I've learned to slam on the brake before I even turn the key, before I make the mistake, before I lead with the worst of me. Give them no reason to stare, no slipping up if you slip away. So I got nothing to share, no, I got nothing to say. Step out of the sun if you keep getting burned. Step out of the sun because you learn, because you've learned. On the outside, always looking in, will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass, I'm waving through a window. Oh, I try to speak but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear. Now I watching people back at me. We start with stars in our eyes, we start believing that we belong, but every sun doesn't rise, and no one tells you what you went wrong. Step out of the sun if you keep getting burned. Step out of the sun because you've learned, because you've learned. On the outside, always looking in, will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass, I'm waving through a window. Oh, I try to speak but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear. Now I'm watching people pass, I'm waving through a window. Can anybody see? Is anybody waving? When you're falling in the forest and there's nobody around, do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling in the forest and there's nobody around, do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling in the forest and there's nobody around, do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling in the forest and there's nobody around, do you ever really crash or even make a sound? Did I even make a sound? Did I even make a sound? It's like I never made a sound. Did I ever make a sound? On the outside, always looking in, will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass, waving through a window. I try to speak but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear. Now I'm watching people pass, waving through a window. Can anybody see? Is anybody waving back at me? Is anybody waving?
Oh, diba? Thank you so much. Thank you. Naabutan ako. Thank you, MJ. Salamat. Thank you. Paus ako, syempre. Pero sinusupport ko ng malala yung boses ko para hindi ako pumiyok. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Salamat po. Thank you. Dream role ko kasi yon, guys. Ay! Hindi na kontento sa isa, oh. Thank you. Ay, Diyos, mag-aapat pa yan. Tignan mo. Si Doc Sassy. Okay na to. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the song request. Baka mayroon kayong request. Budol ka as always. More. Ang hirap mangarap talaga. Thank you, Dugs. Thank you. Ano pa? Last song. Nakanta na natin yung isa.
Inano ko lang yun kasi pa-end na rin naman ako. Ano ba yung rosas? Rosas ng ano? Rosas na ni Lenny? Parang walang milky nun. Ano yung isa? Ano yung isa? What do you mean yung isa? Sunod mo na baka gusto mo magpalit. Yung for forever. Nakanta ko na yung isa. Ano yung isa? Yung for forever ba yan? For forever ba? Diyos ko, gagawin na natin everyday ata yung ano, yung gagawin ba natin for ano, medley everyday, every live, merong ano, ano na natin to, medley na natin.
And a May or early June, this picture perfect afternoon we share. Drive the winding country road, grab a scoop, Alamo, and then we're there. An open field that's framed with trees, we pick a spot and shoot a breeze like buddies do. Quoting songs by our favorite bands, telling jokes no one understands except us two. And we talk and take in the view. All we see is sky for forever. We let the world pass by for forever. Feels like we could go on for forever this way. Two friends on a perfect day. Yes, people. Thank you, Ziggy. We walk a while and talk about the things we'll do when we get out of school. Like the Appalachian Trail, or write a book, or learn to sail. Wouldn't that be cool? There's nothing that we can't discuss, like girls would wish would notice us, but never do. It looks around and says to me, there's nowhere else I'd rather be. I'd say, me too. We talk and take in the view. We just talk and take in the view. All we see is sky for forever. We let the world pass by for forever. Feels like we could go on for forever this way. This way. All we see is light for forever. 'Cause the sun burns bright for forever. Like we'll be alright for forever this way. Two friends on a perfect day. And there he goes, racing toward the tallest tree. From far across the yellow field, I hear him calling, follow me. There we go, wondering how the world might look from up so high. One foot after the other, I crept into another. I climb higher and higher. I climb till the entire sun shines on my face. And I suddenly feel the branch give way. I'm on the ground, my arm goes numb. I look around and I see he's coming to get me. He's coming to get me. And everything's okay. All we see is sky for forever. We let the world pass by for forever. Julia, buddy, you and I, for forever this way, this way. All we sing is light, 'cause the sun burns bright. We could be alright forever this way. Two friends, true friends, on a perfect day.
Okay na to. Thank you so much, Doc Sassy. You know. Thank you so... Wow. Cute. Thank you. Mystery firework pala yun, so hindi alam kung anong lalabas. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Boss, thank you, Julia. Thank you. Thank you, Uno. Thank you, MJ. You will be found. Sige. Last songs ko na to, guys, ah. Evan Hansen medley. Para... Pero tapos na tayo. Ang last song natin ay... Saglit lang naman to eh.
Have you ever felt like nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you could disappear? Like you could fall and no one would hear? Well, let that lonely feeling wash away. Maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. 'Cause when you don't feel strong enough to stand, you can't reach out your hand. And oh, someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the dark comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, when you're broken on the ground, you will be found. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you'll reach up and you'll rise again. Lift your head and look around. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found. You will be found.
Ayun. Ganda na tayo. Thank you. Ano ba nag-play yan? Thank you, ECT. And for my last song ko na talaga to, promise. This is going to be my last song. Last song ko na to, guys.
Where am I? Where am I going? Is it somewhere that I want to go? And when I get there, is that where happy is? Or is it somewhere I already know? Sometimes I feel like I cry without a noise. Sometimes I feel like somebody chose my choice. I have to run away. something growing. It is warm, but it's safe in the ground. When I was younger, I could hear it, but it's back, it's my sound. Sometimes I feel like I lost my only voice, but then I realize only I can choose my choice. I have to run away. I have to sit and stay. I want to live a life where I'm allowed to say that I'm proud of the way that I spend my days these days. All we ever really get are days to dream and days to lose. I just need to choose my time. I have to run away. I have to stay. I want to live a life where I'm allowed to say that I followed my joy, I followed my heart. I lived this one wide life, I ripped it apart. I pushed through the corners with no apologies. And finally I can say I know the way. I swear that I love the way that I spent my days.
Okay na to. Okay na to. Thank you so much. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Seth. Thank you. Insanity. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Salamat po. At dahil dyan, uy, thank you, MJ. Salamat. You know, defying gravity naman, oh. Grabe naman. Alam mo, magde-defying gravity lang ako kapag nakakita ako ng leon. She's gone. Wow. Parang gusto kong makita ko ng leon. Kahit baby leon. Nang budol pa ng Thank you, Kate. Thank you so much for being here, Kate. Baguio Night Market. I wasn't even in Baguio. How? Was I... Gawin mo namin. Yun daw. Doc Sassy. Or ano ba yung mga ibang Hindi ko alam yung mga gifts dito eh. Sige. Last. To the very last. Guys. Promise. To the very last para sa mga nagbigay ng gifts at magbibigay. Para sa inyo ho to. Alam nyo na. Alam nyo na yan, guys. Last na to. Dahil kinanta naman ni... Fresh naman to sa pagkanta ni Cynthia Erivo sa Oscars tsaka ni Ariana. Let's do this. Fresh from the Oscars, please welcome Benedict Ramos.
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try to find gravity. I think I'll try. tingliness, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I'm lost. Well, if that's love, it comes at much too high and cost. I'm sure I'm defying gravity, and you can't pull me down. Unlimited, together we're unlimited. Together we'll be the greatest team there's ever been.
Di ko alam to.
Just you and I, defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity. They'll never bring us down. So if you can't find me, look to the western sky. As someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who grounded me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity. They'll never match them in renown. And nobody in all of us, the wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Bring me down.
Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay na to. Ayan. Anyway, thank you so much for being here sa live ko. Wow! 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 Thank you, Doc. Grabe. Okay na to. Hi, Ivan. What's up? Uy, grabe. Thank you so much. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Okay na yon. Okay na talaga. Okay na to. And salamat. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for the baby. Sana all my baby. Thank you, thank you. Ang cute no Leon, di ba? Ivan, gusto mo makita ulit? Gusto mo makita ulit? Ang cute, di ba? Sobrang cute. Grabe. Bawang ninamot ah. Thank you all so much, guys, for being here. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Pakiulit. Anyway, maraming salamat po for being here on my live stream. Thank you sa imbis na maantok ako, nagising pa yung dugo ko sa Defying Gravity. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Jenica. Maraming salamat. Naku, ang hirap ng dumb covers natin. I'll see you again next time. MJ, thank you so much. Thank you for being here once again. Maraming salamat din sa gifts. Thank you, Seth. Oh, wow! Support you forever. Oh, thank you. Thank you, MJ. Salamat. Really appreciate you, MJ. Thank you. Thank you, Seth. Thank you, Kate. Good night. Matulog ka na rin, Kate. Alas 2 na. Thank you, Seth. Thank you everybody who are still here. Jasmine, late ka pumasok pero okay lang yan. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Doc Sassy. Maraming salamat. I'll see you next time. And abangan niyo ulit yung mga next lives ko. Kasi ngayon, medyo may oras ako to do this. Sinusulit ko lang. Hanggat meron pang rin ganitong oras. Rest. Thank you. Thank you, MJ Ria. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Yeah, Viana, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone. ECT, thank you. Thank you so much. Love you all. Good night.